Good morning, guys. Okay, so we've got a few small gappers this morning. Mostly what's moving is ETFs, though. PIRS is gapping up. It's at 832, closed at 715. ATOS pushing up some. Not the most volume with this one. It's at 68 cents now. It closed at 60, so it's gapping up a decent amount. Needs some more volume, though. CTIC, slow grind up in pre-market this morning. Reached a high in after hours of 330. Gonna watch for that. FEYE. Gapping up from just over $14. That one's moving a little bit as well. Good morning, D. Evan. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. If you see anything else moving, let me know. Alright, so there's my watch list. Good morning, Melody. I'm gonna see if I can find anything else that's moving. I don't really see much. Market, you can check the SPY. You can see it washed out some yesterday as well, which isn't good. Jeez, look at the market, man. Starting to crash. Looks like a lot of stuff was crashing with the market. A lot of stuff was following the market. And when it crashed, the market, or when the market crashed, it crashed as well. So they're liquidating XIV. Still gonna watch the TVIX and the SPY this morning. See what it can do. But aside from that, there's not too many movers this morning. We've got the SVXY that's doing what the market's doing. Very similar. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's a scary market, you know. I mean, if you look at the daily on the SPY, you know, these are two really big pullbacks the last 5 days. So the last 5 days have been scary. The biggest drop was today or yesterday. No, the biggest drop was February 2nd. But the second biggest drop in the last year. Really, this is the biggest market crash since 2008, I heard. And so, you know, you got to be careful. Definitely a scary thing. And so this week on TradeNet, so far I have had 3 profitable days and 1 losing day. And Monday, when I did have that losing day, it was just a user error. So we'll see if I can kind of close the week out strong on TradeNet. Alright, so yeah, we got FEYE. Gonna watch this one to see if it holds support over this 1550 level. $16 seems like an interesting support and resistance level as well. Gotta watch CTIC over that 330 high of after hours. There's ROX, although I do want ROX to pick up some more volume, start running a little bit more. Volume's really low with this one, so we'll see what it does. ATOS, may think about getting in this one if it starts to run on U stock, especially if it breaks that 71-cent previous high. AVIR, kind of the same thing here. Needs some more volume though. Gonna watch it to see if it holds over 80 cents. INPX, this one broke over the $0.50. Want to see it hold support where that previous resistance was, as well as right here. Gonna see what it does there. AKER, good morning AB. AKER is at 47 cents. Gonna watch that one as well. HMOI gapping up a small amount. Some down gappers. MGEN gapping down with the market. TNDM, same thing, gapping down. We'll see if it can hold over 2. CBIO, EVLT, ELVT, sorry. Let's see what else. NSPR, CFMS is at 136. Needs some more volume though. PLUG needs some more volume. Alright, so gonna watch FEI, TVIX, CTIC, SPY, ROX, DFMS, ATOS, AVIR. If you see anything else worth watching, let me know in the comments. There's DPW. Although DPW doesn't really have any volume, we'll see. See if I can find anything else that's moving. Alright, so good morning, Andre. See if I can find out why FEYE is gapping up. Alright, so FEYE showed earnings that showed the first quarterly profit. Stock jumps up more than 14%. So good earnings on FEYE. DXD looks somewhat interesting. We'll see if it can hold over 9. FAZ as well. Alright, so CTIC gapping up some as well. I think CTIC is having an offering. I can't tell if I'm reading that correctly. Alright, so not that much volume this Friday. Probably has a lot to do with the market being down so much yesterday. You can look at the SPY. Market washed out pretty bad yesterday. The daily chart is kind of really what shows you the most. Last 5 days of the market have been pretty bad for the SPY here. If it continues to drop today, you know, things aren't looking great. S&P, same thing. S&P 500 here, you can see this huge drop. So kind of scary. ROX trying to get back over that 130 level. What do you guys think the market's going to do today? You think it's going to go up? You think it's going to continue dropping? I hope it rebounds. Yeah, I'm watching PIRS as well. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Matt. I hope it rebounds though. It just looks like a pattern, like a bear pattern on the daily chart. Broke out of this previous low here. We'll see. Yeah, Melody. There's not really any telling. It's all just speculation. Really, it's just guessing here. Um, I'm hoping it goes up just for the economy's sake, but we'll see. All right, so I'm watching. I think Andre said this one as well. PIRS. Not moving too much though. None of these stocks are really moving that much. INPX as well. A lot of them are slow, no volume. Is Apple dropping with this market? Yeah. What about Microsoft? Anybody know the ticker name for Microsoft? There it is, MSFT. Yeah, it dropped with the market as well, so some of these big companies are dropping. Matt, I have trade ideas, and so I just use trade ideas. So yeah, I mean, good morning, Juan. Nice melody. Yeah, studying's good for sure. But yeah, I just use trade ideas. Overall, I like it. It's a decent scanner. Takes a little while to learn how to use, but once you know how to use it, it's a pretty decent scanner. What I do with trade ideas is I set up a lot of times the stocks that run the most are very small gaps. Like the big gaps, a lot of times they just wash out at the open. And the stocks that run the most kind of surprise people are those little bitty tiny gaps. And so I set up a tiny gap scanner that searches for very small gaps, very small percentage gap ups overnight. And I look at those at the open most of the time to see if they start running big. BPTH. Look at this gap up. There's something weird. It looks like an acquisition maybe or a merger. Let me see. It's a reverse stock split. Yeah, I know it was something. So yeah, that's interesting. AVIR as well is another one I'm watching. AKER2. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. You mean the small gap scan, Matt? I've been using it for a few weeks. A lot of times, like, I'm trying to think of one that gapped up yesterday. A lot of times, the ones that gap up huge amounts, they just end up washing out at the open. What's up, George? You getting into stuff pre-market? What's up, Black Monday? Where you been, bro? Where you been, man? Yeah, I feel you, Black Monday. Good morning, Grant. What's up, man? Yeah, especially with the market like it is, it's been really slow. Kind of a telltale sign of the washout from the SPY is how slow the market got right before. The market got really slow right before this huge crash, and that's usually a telltale sign. I haven't, Matt. I've heard some good and bad things about it. A lot of bad things, though. All right, guys. It's 8:18. We got a little bit of time left until the open. Nice, Andre. Good job in pre-market, man. Yeah, PIRS. Yeah, PIRS. It just needs a little bit more volume, you know. Not too bad. It bounced off of 8. All right. Just like you said, Andre. Yeah, it bounced directly off of 8. So not a bad play. SWN starting to get a little bit of a volume spike here. Trying to come up some. Yeah. So in pre-market, in after hours and pre-market melody, I mean, a lot of brokers allow you to trade. Like a lot of the bigger brokers, like Thinkorswim or SureTrader. I know SureTrader charges a few extra fees if you hold it overnight, or if you get in at pre-market or after hours. The volume is a lot less, and so it's a little bit tougher to trade. But you know, it can still be profitable. XNET trying here. RIOT slowly creeping up some. All right, so we'll see what happens here. ROX right back up to that 130 level. All right, so it seems a lot of people think the market's going to crash again today. The SPY is going to drop. So we'll see what happens. I hope it goes up, like I said. Market needs to rebound some. AUY trying here with some volume. CFMS trying here as well. AVIR, ATOS. Yeah, no problem, Melody. Yeah, I know, Matt. That's what I'm saying, man. I hope the market needs to rebound for sure. And I mean, here's the thing. The SPY is up so much in the last year. It still has a long way to go. And I mean, the SPY's at a high point right now, but just this last 5 days have taken away, what is this, 3 months of gains. So, pretty big move here. You know, we're hoping it can rebound here just because the SPY, I mean, just because it needs to rebound. The SPY's down, but it's up a big amount already in the last year. And so hopefully it can rebound and we can still kind of continue to head up. But this is the biggest drop it's taken since 2008, when the market crashed in 2008. So this is the biggest drop since then. And so a little scary for sure. I think Andre uses SureTrader, if I'm not mistaken, Anthony. He might be able to correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he uses SureTrader. Yeah, I'm for sure going to be watching the TVIX, Grant. XXII gapping up some. INPX sitting right at that 350 level. We'll see. Yeah, no worries, Anthony. Unless you were talking to Andre. You might have been talking to Andre, sorry. AKER, we'll see if we can get over 50 today. Alright guys, we got 5 minutes left. There is no extra fees to trade pre-market. I thought there were a few extra ones. I know there's on SureTrader, if you hold overnight, there's some extras. Yeah. Let's hope. D. Evan. Alright, so we got about 3 minutes left, guys. Yeah, I marked the 850 just because it's sitting right around that $0.50 at 845 now. TNDM. Yeah, it's gapped down a big amount. We'll see if we can rebound here. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab some water. Alright, so we have about 2 minutes left, guys. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, maybe that's true, Grant. Maybe that's right. Alright, a minute and a half, guys. Yeah, these penny stocks have been kind of slow since the market started to wash out. PIRS dropping. So is CTIC here. Yeah, maybe that's what I was thinking of, Andre. Yeah, Melody, you're smart to wait and just kind of take it slow in paper trade. Don't jump in and go live right away. Because here, the truth is, you'll probably fail. No offense to you. At first, you'll probably lose your first account. But if you keep at it, you know, you might become profitable. And so that's the thing. Most traders lose their first account. It's nothing against you specifically. Just saying. Just be prepared. You know, don't lose, you know, the motivation to keep going with it. Yeah, PIRS got rejected. All right, 20 seconds, guys. All right, market's opening right now. All right, so the market's coming down some. SPY's dropping. Yeah, INPX here. Look at INPX. Running up pretty big. Watching the SPY over 261. There we go. SPY's running up some. Nice. Now it's pulling back some. Big drop. I'm out for a small loss. Yeah, this is a huge pullback on the SPY here. That means it's probably going to go continue washing out here. We'll see. Look at this drop, man. Crazy drop. I'll let it try to bounce off of that previous low. See what it does here at that low of the day. INPX is running up big. That's my first losing trade on TradeNet since Monday, guys. SPY's going choppy sideways. ATOS, INPX, TNDM, they're all running here. Watching the SPY for a possible low of the day break. Nice, Vanda. Awesome job, man. Alright, so I'm in TVIX with 20 shares. Very undecisive. Big drop on the SPY. Alright, so I'm out for a 780 gain. That brings me back green on the day. But man, this is not good for the market, fellas. Definitely not good. You look TNDM here, guys. TNDM reversing here, running up big. Up to 250 now. Just broke 250. Good job, Andre. Nice job, bro. Alright, I'm in the TVIX again. Alright, so I got out for another 5 gain. But man, look at this market, guys. I probably should have held the TVIX, but crazy, man. The SPY's dropping again. Be careful in this market, fellas. Gonna see if the SPY's gonna bounce here. CTIC, you can see CTIC's running up trying to test that 330 high of pre-market. Big bounce on the SPY. We'll see if it can come back here. It's unlikely after this huge drop, but we'll see. What did Kramer say, Melody? Kramer? Man, Kramer can be quiet. Kramer's always wrong, man. I don't even know why he has a TV show, man. The dude's always wrong. You know? If he's talking bad about the TVIX, I've had 2 profitable trades on the TVIX this morning. You know? The TVIX is how you profit when the market washes. You know what I mean? So he could say whatever he wants, but... Alright, so the SPY's rebounding here. I hope it continues to go up. Even though it's an easy buy on the TVIX if it doesn't, you know. And then Kramer can say whatever he wants, but the TVIX is easy money right now with the SPY acting like this. It's not that people are abusing the TVIX. It's just, you know, the SPY's doing. People are reacting to what the SPY's doing. It has nothing to do with the TVIX, you know. The TVIX doesn't control the market. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the SPY do. You know what I mean? So, he can say whatever he wants, but... he's probably got some type of... interest in some of this stuff. He might be hurting a little bit with this market washout. I don't know how long people have been here, but if you remember, yeah, Juan, scary, man. Yeah, one of our members, Rick, one of our oldest members, who was with me when I first started this channel 2 years ago, and I had a very tiny chat room and I wasn't streaming or anything. Rick, a few months ago, Rick told me that he was going to, you know, short the SPY with a huge position. And, you know, I think it's probably doing him pretty right now. You know, he had this theory that the market was going to crash, and it looks like he was right. Yeah, but the TVIX, like I said, the TVIX is just, you know, it's just a tool that, it's just an ETF that reacts to, ETN that reacts to the market. The SPY, the Dow Jones, and the, you know, the S&P 500 are what really controls the market. People who are trading the TVIX are just reacting to what the SPY's doing. They're not causing the SPY to do what it's doing. They're just reacting to it. And so, you know, whatever he wants to say, but it doesn't make any sense. It's like me. Like, I've had... you know, the last 4 days, I've had profitable trades on TradeNet, and all of those trades have been just me reacting to the SPY either dropping or going up. If the SPY goes up, I short the TVIX. If the SPY goes down, I buy the TVIX. You know what I mean? And so I'm not causing the market to drop. I'm just reacting to what the SPY's doing, which is what all the other people who are using in trading all these ETNs and stuff. It's not just the TVIX. It's UVXY is probably doing the exact same thing. Yep, UVXY looks like a mirror of TVIX. What's another ETN? I can't think of all the other ETNs right now, but, you know, they're all doing the same thing here. It's not just the TVIX either. Yeah, INPX went all the way up to 512. Nice move. Morning, Gennardo. Yeah, Kramer just seems like he has too many ulterior motives. You know what I mean? Like he's gonna try to pump up stocks that he's holding. Is just what I think. I don't know. I don't watch them to be honest, but that's what any of those uh, TV stock gurus just seem like they're trying to pump up stocks they're holding. You know what I mean? Or they're talking to the company CEOs and the company CEOs are asking him and maybe paying him even to talk about say good things about their company and thus pump the stock up, making the company have more have more profits and value and whatever. All right, so the SPY's coming back here. This is what I want to see. VXX, right? NUGT. All right, so this is what I wanted to see with the SPY here. Here we go. SPY's breaking the high of the day here. Trying to at least. Let's see what happens. There it goes. Broke the high of the day, got pushed back down. Maybe a cup and handle pattern. We'll see if it starts to regain some push here on the SPY. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I for sure don't. I don't really watch TV. I love movies, but I don't ever really watch TV. My wife watches a lot of TV, but I don't just because, too many fake stuff on the TV nowadays. I love movies though, but. Alright, so the SPY bounced off of that high of the day point. Yeah. Let's see, there's INFN trying to run up some VIVE, OCLR, CTIC, UAA. Alright, so the market couldn't get over that high of the day, but at least it's not all the way back down at its lows. Let's hope it holds and continues to push. Everything else is washing out from what I see. NPX testing that 450 level again. Andre, you can't stop, bro. Hey, man, if you're profiting, you might not want to stop. All right, so SPY's dropping again. Some sideways choppiness. Matt, you could just call me John, man. That's my name, You can call me BT for beginner trader or John, You can just call me John, really. All right, so let's see what the SPY does here. All right, so SPY got rejected at the high of the day. Now it's dropping under the $0.50. It's at 260.43, bouncing back and forth. I really want to see it hold support here just for the market's sake. I don't want the market to keep washing. It's kind of scary. Hi, guys. But yeah, let's see the market bounce here. That's what I really want to see. Starting to drop. PLUG. XIN maybe starting to run a little bit. Fahim, you know, I really just try to stay really selective and disciplined with my trades. Um, you know, when I overtrade, it usually does not turn out very well. So I usually just try to stay disciplined. If I have a few profitable trades, I usually try to sit on my profits, try not to get FOMO, and just try to stay patient and selective and wait for something I really like before just jumping into it. GEVO, trying to test that 50 cent level. KW, trying to run up as well. Later, Andre. Nice trading, bro. Right, Matt. That's what I'm saying. And luckily, like, I'm self-employed, and so I don't have my money tied up in pensions um, or anything like that. So I have a lot less to worry about with the market washing out. But when other people are hurting, it thus affects the economy negatively. And so I want the market to go up. I don't want it to go down, because even though I don't have money tied up in pensions and stuff like that, it's still going to affect me if the market washes out, and it's going to affect everybody, regardless of what you do. If you have money in pensions or if you have money in savings or whatever it is, you know, it's still going to affect you if the market washes out. And so, you know, I think everybody should be rooting for the market to go up, except for Rick, who, like I said, he's one of our oldest members. You know, he's taken a massive short position on the SPY, I think. And so I'm sure he wants it to go up, but we'll see what happens. Thanks for joining us, Melody. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. See you Monday. IMPX is halted, guys. Yep, Salty, I'm right there with you. IMPX is halted on the way up. At 487 now. KERX. Alright, so the market's rebounding some. That's always good to see. Let's hope it continues here. Look at FCEL here, guys. Big run on FCEL. Look at this move. Andre, what's up, man? Long time no see, bro. Yeah, look at FCEL here. What happened, Andre? Are y'all long in INPX or short, guys? FCEL pulling back some. Alright, so INPX was halted at 853. Still got a while. It may be a 10-minute halt. And lately I've been actually seeing some 15-minute halts. Yeah, man, it happens, bro. Happens to all of us, Andre. Yeah, that might be smart one. I'm waiting for the market to break this high right here. It's starting to push. See, another fake out in the market. I almost bought it right there. I stopped myself. Hey, as long as the market's not down today, I'll take that, you know. I was thinking about jumping in the TVIX here, but luckily I didn't. Yeah, that's rough, Andre. Maybe a good short. Who knows? All right, so it was halted at 8:53. It's 8:58. So we'll see if it's a 5-minute halt. Unlikely though. Most likely either a 10-minute or a 15-minute halt, especially with how the market's been lately. Market's pulling back here. So yeah, guys, you can see 4 out of 5 days this week have been profitable on TradeNet, all using that same pair strategy with the TVIX and the SPY. Even the first day I traded, it was a user error, so it would have been a profitable day too. Okay, INPX was a 5-minute halt and it resumed at 5:30. Went up to 5:30. Testing 5 now, up to 5:20, 5:27, 5:30, all the way back down to under 5. Crazy mover here. Yeah, Matt, I hope you're wrong, bro. I hope the market rebounds today, but I don't know. Can't seem to get over that high. Alright, so INPX faked people out too. Washing down to 450. Alright, so INPX is halted on the way down. Oof. Nice trade, Jay. Right, green is good, bro. Good job, man. Did any of you guys get caught in this? In INPX, Andre, Vanda? What was your entry, Andre? CTIC sitting right under that 330 high of pre-market. INFN's been slowly grinding up this morning. EKSO tried to make a push here, got rejected. Alright, so we'll see if the market can make another push here. I hope for everybody's sake the market goes up, guys. It's been a pretty rough week for it. I mean, it's going sideways now, being a little choppy here. I'd rather it be choppy than go down, so we'll see what happens. Really wanted to get over this 262 level, start to kind of regain some of this drop here. We'll see, though. Not too confident anymore. Alright, so market's starting to come down some. Everything's kind of washing out this morning, guys. Yeah, it's a little weird, Andre. That means they sold partial position and then just kept the other one. You know they take the other side of your trades too, man. Alright, so there's another big drop in the market. It's trying to come back here. It seems like a much harder day to trade, the SPY pairs trade. And I don't really see anything in penny stock land that I want to trade. Nothing looks good. Definitely kind of a shady day. What's up, Martin Garcia? Thanks for subscribing, man. Just now seeing that. Nice, Danny. Hey, man, green's green, bro. Good job, bro. Good job, man. See, especially if the SPY breaks under this level right here, that makes me a little nervous. He's probably going to start creeping up down towards this. There it goes. Yeah, there it goes. I told you that's the point I was worried about. I'm not even worried about trading this right now. I just want the market to come back. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go to the restroom. All right, I'm back. Yeah, the SPY needed that support, man. Look at the CPST here. Yeah, I really want the SPY to hold support right here. Yeah, look at CPST. Looks like it's going to try to make $1 today, maybe. So come on, SPY. Let's see you bounce here. VPTH. Yeah, the only thing that really moved this morning, aside from like very small gains, is INPX. It's the only stock under $5 that really ran a decent amount, at least that I've seen. SPY drop, it's up. We need to see it hold support here. Good. Nice bounce. We'll see if it continues to hold. Gary, I just haven't I just try to stick with what works the best for me, and what works the best is at the open. I've tried trading in Power Hour. Usually, what I'll do in Power Hour is I'll look for swing trades to hold overnight on my Robinhood account. Like that's usually what I do during Power Hour. I've tried, like I said, I've tried trading during Power Hour before, and I just haven't had as much success as I have during the open. But sometimes I do a Power Hour stream. Sometimes. I used to do them a lot more often. We never really had that many people here for the Power Hour stream, and so I kind of stopped doing it. Right. Yeah, I mean, like I said, Power Hour has some of the best volume. But usually what I do is I look for swing trades during Power Hour, from 3 to 4. All right, so the SPY's dropping again. But yeah, even though the market's been down, I mean, it's been a pretty good week trading on TradeNet. Had 4 out of 5 profitable days so far. The first day was a user error, so it would have been a profitable day then as well. I had 3 profitable trades on Monday and 1 losing trade, but that 1 losing trade made it compensated for all the winning trades I had. But it would have been a profitable day if not for that error. I forgot to cancel my stop loss and couldn't get out of a trade, so there we go. There's a bounce. There we go. Nice bounce on the SPY. Good. We need that. Let's get back over 260.50. We need the market to rebound here, guys. The last week of trading has been pretty bad for it. Market's kind of slowing down some. Not too much running. You know, I want the SPY to continue heading up, but if it drops under 260 again and continues to head down, especially if it drops under that 259.50 level and starts testing the low of the day, I might buy a few shares on the TVIX on a U stock trade. But like I said, I hope the market continues to head up. Aside from this, the market's really slow. Nothing really moving. See you, Matt. Have a good weekend, bro. Alright, there we go. There's a rebound on the SPY. That's usually what I want to see. I want to see the market continue to run back up here. MARK. Yeah, MARK breaking over the high of the day, starting to push up here. Yeah, guys, I'm probably going to go ahead and close the stream down now. Not too much volume. Hopefully the SPY can rebound. Later, bro. Appreciate it, Matt. Thanks for watching, man. I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend. See you on Monday. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. Good luck for the rest of the day, guys. Let's all cross our fingers. Hopefully the market will rebound some, and the SPY and the S&P and the DJI will continue to push up. Let's cross our fingers. Hope it rebounds here for the economy's sake. But yeah, guys, good luck for the rest of the day. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys later. I should be putting a few videos out this weekend. I've had family over and a couple other things, so I haven't been able to put out as many videos as I usually do on the weekend. But I should have a few nice videos put out this weekend, so be on the lookout for that. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button now to help support the channel. And everybody that's still here, click the like button right now on this video. It definitely helps support us, and we appreciate the support, guys. So click the like button right now. 1 second. I might try to buy the TVIX here. I'll do it later. If I get another trade, I'll try to record it. But yeah, guys, good luck for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys later. Make sure to click that subscribe button and click the like button now to help support us. And good luck for the rest of the day. Have a good weekend, guys and gals. Later.